Though I walk in the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Sinasamahan mo ko, iniingatan mo ako. So mag-ayos po tayo ng buhay. Huwag na tayong magpatuloy sa kasalanan. Kasi dumating na yung point, sabi nga, judgment begins in the household of God.
Wherever you go, wherever you stay, don't you forget that love is always coming your way. No matter how far, how broken you are, don't you forget that love is always coming your way.